Vitalik once applied for a job at Ripple. John McAfee says he knows who Satoshi Nakamoto is, and Bitcoin is outperforming many other assets in the traditional asset class. Let's start the show. Welcome back to Crypto Global News. I'm Edward, and we'd really appreciate it if you hit the like, subscribe, and also share button. Enjoy today's episode. On Friday, April 19th, Vitalik Buterin, the Russian-Canadian computer scientist who helped to create Ethereum, revealed a fun fact about his past, which was that he tried to be an intern at Ripple back in 2013. Now, Vitalik admitted that back in mid-2013, he tried to come work in California as an intern for the company that later got renamed in September of 2013 to be known as Ripple Labs. Now, Vitalik had this to say on the matter: "I tried to be an intern at Ripple back in the day, but the US visa complications having to do with the fact that the company had only existed for 9 months and the minimum was 1 year was what stopped me. I wonder how the people at Ripple feel about this now." Dodgepoint, a crypto token which started out as a parody of crypto generally and based on the famous dog meme, has seen its creator left the platform once it rose to popularity and became a valuable cryptocurrency to maintain the true essence of the decentralization. Now, the creator, Jackson Palmer, has abandoned all of his social media platforms as well, making it virtually impossible for anyone from the community to interact with him. Although Palmer was not completely specific on the reasons behind his swift disappearance, there are people in the Dogecoin community who think he just wanted to be out of the spotlight. As Dogecoin was essentially a parody itself, with the creator going off the grid, will this further affect the reputation of the digital asset? President Jair Messias Bolsonaro took office as the leader of Brazil on the 1st of January 2019. Now, since then, Brazil's inflation rate has shown an upward trend. The Rios Times writes, "The latest result of the IPCA was the highest for the month of March since 2015. The IPCA is what measures the country's official inflation rate. And what it said is that the accumulated inflation rate for the last 12 months has reached 4.58%. In such economic situations, cryptocurrency becomes increasingly attractive, mainly because Bitcoin, among other attributes, is inherently borderless and does not have the same inflation issues that fiat currencies do, as only 21 million digital coins will ever be created by the year 2140. As inflation and recessions continue to happen, will this push more people into cryptocurrency in place of using fiat?" John McAfee has found himself drawn into another fake Satoshi story. He is actually claiming that he knows the true identity of Satoshi Nakamoto. He had this to say on the issue: "I have received today dozens of communications from people and groups claiming to be Satoshi. People, please, I do know who Satoshi is. Don't make yourself look foolish by pretending. Again, people, don't make yourself look foolish by contacting me and claiming to be Satoshi. If you need to contact me to reveal yourself, then you are not him." Some people see Mr. McAfee as a genius, some as a visionary, and others see him as a quack. All that aside, it will be interesting to know if he does know who Satoshi Nakamoto actually is. In 2019, Bitcoin has outperformed many other well-respected and highly sought-after assets, according to Charlie Biello. Now, oil is up 38% this year, the NASDAQ 22, the S&P 500 17, but Bitcoin is up 39. The price of Bitcoin fell by approximately 80% since its all-time high in 2017 and has been in a bear market since. The price has reached the lowest in 2 years at the end of December of 2018. Now, since the beginning of 2019, Bitcoin's price has grown by about 47%. Cryptocurrency is still a very volatile asset class, but the returns cannot be ignored, especially being ahead of so many other potential assets in the marketplace that someone can invest in. Many thanks for tuning to today's episode. Please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and also share button. For Crypto Global News, I'm Edward. Until next time, you take it easy.